Hello, what's up guys, your boy JP. So in today's video guys, we'll be talking about how to convert your fiat into USDT, or simply how to convert your native currency into cryptocurrency. For you to do that, you need to have an account on crypto exchanges. The link will be down in the description below, so you can click on it and get registered. So how do you convert your native currency to crypto? It's simple. We use what we call P2P trading. Now, P2P is like a marketplace in the crypto exchanges where people post adverts of how much they are selling their USDT or Bitcoin. It's like going to the market, meeting someone that has a product that you want to buy, and you bargain with that person. The person will tell you the price, you bargain with them, and then they give you the quantity you need, and then you pay them. So it's the same thing with P2P. A lot of people post their adverts on how much they are willing to sell. So you go there, look for the price that suits you well, and then you buy from the person. I'm going to guide you how to do that so you don't make mistake of sending your money to the wrong people or losing all your funds. So guys, let's go. But oh no, before that, kindly smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel. Can you do that please? Okay, yes, I believe you've done that. So guys, let's go. The first thing you need to do is to register an account on centralized exchanges, on crypto exchanges such as Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, Mexi. For this practice, we'll be using Bybit. So the link will be on the description below. So click on it and register your Bybit account, then verify and proceed. So the first thing you need to do after verifying your account is to click on this place they wrote more. Click on more, which is right over here. So once you click on it, to bring you up to this place, then you click on P2P trading. This is it over here. So once you click on P2P trading, to bring you up to this place. So in here we have two sections. We have the buy section and we have the sell section. So the buy section is where you go to buy cryptocurrency, where you go to buy USDT or USDC or BTC or Ethereum, or the last one, which is MER. So you can buy any of these coins here, but we are buying USDT. And as you can see, these are adverts of people that are selling USDT and the amount they are willing to sell, also with the limits they are selling. But this first person here is selling at 1,289 naira per 1 USDT, and the limit is from 52,000 to 52,563. So if you want to buy below 52,000, that means he will not sell to you. And if you want to buy above 52,563, he cannot sell to you. And another thing I would like you to know is this place they wrote amount, then all payment, and then filter. So let's take it one after the other. Then this amount is, if you want to, let's say that you want to display ads from 20,000 and above. So you come over here and put that 20,000, click on confirm. It will show you only ads of people that are selling from 20,000 and above. Then this payment method is if you want to display people that accept payment, let's say it's OPay, you click on OPay. Then if there's another bank you want to display, maybe you want to display adverts that are accepting payment with Kuda Bank, you click on it, you tick them. But for this tutorial, I'll use all, which I've been using always. So you click on confirm. Then this filter is if you want to display ads that are verified by Bybit, you click on the first one. Then the second one is if you want to show only eligible ads, then you click on it and it will display only eligible ads. But for this, I'm not going to choose any of them. And for this video, we'll be buying just $10 USDT. So for us to do that, scroll down. So I'm now looking for people that are selling from below 10,000 to 10,000 and above. So I'll keep going. I can either use this amount here to put up, but I don't want to do that. So I think I've seen one. This person over here. So he's selling at 1,291 naira per USDT, and the limit he's selling is from 5,000 to 10,684. So that means $10 will be around 12,000. So it doesn't meet our criteria. We'll go up again. So we are looking from below 10,000 to 12,000. So we keep looking. Okay, I think I've seen. Okay, no, it's not eligible. Okay. I think I'm gonna use that amount. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, this person over here is selling from 10,000 to 97,000. So it falls in between that 12,000, which is about $10. And the success rate here is 84. So which means he's a good merchant. If you see any score below 70, don't trade with that person. Okay, it means that the person has a low success rate. So let's click on this, click on buy. So to open up this place, now we have two things here. We have with fiat and we have with crypto. So let's say that you want to buy crypto worth of 50,000. You can come over here with fiat and put 50,000. So if you put 50,000, it will show you the amount you'll be getting in USDT. So 50,000 is currently worth 38.6 USDT. But let's say that you know the amount of USDT you want to buy. You just go to with crypto and put that amount. So for this video, we are buying $10. So you put $10. So do you see how much you'll be paying? You'll be paying 12,945.2. So now we proceed to buy. So this is where you will see the details of the transaction. So I'll be paying 12,945 to this person, and he or she will release this 10 USDT to me. So click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, it will show you the bank that you'll be making the payment to. So here is the bank name and the bank the name of the bank, the account number, and the person's name. So what we'll be doing now is we'll copy this account number over here. Click on this small dot, copy it. So you see, successfully copied. So once you copy it, you minimize, go to your bank. Then I'll paste the account number. So the name and the name of that person is the same. So I'll click on 12,945. Then narration. This place is very, very important. Make sure you don't include any crypto related words. Just put full stop. Full stop is okay. Just put full stop, then proceed. Voila! The payment is successful. So you go back to Bybit and click on payments completed. Please ensure that you have completed the fiat payment, blah blah blah. Yes, we've done that. You tick this to avoid restriction on P2P trading. Please ensure payments are made from account that matches your name, blah blah blah. You click on it and then you click on confirm. So I've confirmed this payment. So I'm now waiting for the merchant to release the 10 USDT to me. And I know most of you will be asking, what if the person refuses to release the money? Now immediately I clicked on pay now. Bybit has locked this 10 USDT from that person's account. They have locked it up. The person cannot withdraw it. The person cannot transfer it. So now that I've clicked payment completed, I'm now waiting for this person to receive the money and also click confirm so that Bybit will release this 10 USDT to my account. And once this number hits 0, I'm free to appeal. I can appeal that I've not received my money, and they will ask the person to provide his evidence. Then I'll provide my own evidence so that the case will be settled. But I'm not going to do that because time is still running, and I believe the person will receive the payment shortly and release the fund. Okay, completed. The person have clicked on receive, and Bybit have released my $10. So you click on done. So when you go to your wallet, you will not see this money in your spot account. It will be in your funding account. So for you to now use it to buy coin, you go to that funding, click on funding, now click on transfer. So once you click on transfer, then you change. If you look at this now, you're saying transfer from derivative account to funding account. But what we want to do is to transfer the funds from funding account to spot account. So I'll click on this center button to change it. So funding account is now at the top. Then I'll click on this arrow here to change it to spot account. See it. So it's now a spot account and the coin is USDT. So I'll put 10 USDT because that's what I want to convert. Then I'll click on confirm. Good. Transfer successful. So we have now transferred the money from our funding account to our spot wallet. So what you now do is you come over to this trade here. Click on trade. Now let's choose one coin. This place they wrote near USDT. Click on it to choose any coin of your choice. Let's say that you want to buy RNDR. You now click on it. You now see it. So in here we have the buy section and the sell section as well. And we have 10 USDT available. We have limit. Inside this limit we have market, take profit, stop loss, conditional, OCO. So I'm just going to talk about limit and market. So limit order is when you want to buy an order at a particular price. As you can see now, this RNDR is trading at 8.1935. As when I want to place a limit order, I can click on this icon here so that I will see where the market is heading. I'll click on it to see the charts. So here is the chart now. Okay, from what I'm seeing here, I've seen that this market is going down, so I want to buy it cheap. So I can now say, okay, if this market goes down to $7, then I will buy it. So for me to do that, I'll just come over to this limit. We're already on limit. You change this price to 7. I'll change it to 7. See? Then this order value in USDT, I can now put $10 there or any amount. So do you see? It will give me the quantity of RNDR I'll be getting if this order gets filled at 7. If this RNDR comes down to 7 and I buy it to $10, it will give me 1.42 quantity of RNDR. So that's what it means. But the other way around, if I want to buy it at this particular price now, all I need to do is to change this limit to market. I'll click on this limit and I'll change it to market. So what it means is that I'm buying it on the spot. I'm buying it at this current price of 8.1938. So I can now put the value of USDT I want to use to buy. So when I want to buy with $9, you see it, or I want to buy with $10. So once I click on this buy now, this USDT will now automatically buy this RNDR. Will now be converted to RNDR. That means I've bought RNDR token. You understand? The same way, okay, let's just buy it at this price. So bought it. If I now click on buy RNDR with $10, the order will be filled. So but I'll not click on that. So that's how to buy a coin or token from exchanges. So another one is sell. The same way, if you want to sell on the spot, you leave it on market, then put the quantity of RNDR you want to sell. Or you can just use this to drag it to 100% or 50%, depending on the amount you bought. At the same way, if you want to sell it at a particular price, let's say that the current price now is 8.1884 and you want to sell. So for you to sell, that means that you've bought it already. So for you now to sell, maybe you say, okay, for me to sell, I need to sell this at $9 or $10. So it means that if RNDR goes up to $9, if it leaves this 8.1861 and goes up to $9, then you are selling maybe 50% of it, or you are selling 100% of it. You sell 100% of it and you see the value in USDT. So assuming we bought with that $10 and we are selling at $9, that means we'll be making around $11 or so. Understand? So that's how to convert your native currency into USDT and how to buy and sell your crypto using centralized exchanges. Okay guys, now that you know how to do your P2P trade, why not watch my other video and get in-depth knowledge about crypto, how to trade, how to spot 100x coins, how to analyze your Bitcoin and know where the market is likely to go and all that. So guys, click on the next video and let's go.